In our previous tutorial, we had a look at how to add members to our database one after the other. This can be quite cumbersome, especially when you have a lot of people to add. So, if you have an already existing data set, you can upload it into the system through our bulk member upload feature. We'll go there. First thing is, be sure to download this sample file so that you can have a look at how the data needs to be arranged to be able to upload it into the system. After that, we'll proceed to fill out all the information as it applies to the data set. So, we'll indicate the member type that we want to upload for, the member status, the country code as it applies to the Excel sheet. If this data is for a specific group of people in the church, we'll select the group or department and the data will be uploaded over there. We'll move ahead to select our unique identifier. That is how we want to uniquely identify each row of data in the Excel sheet. We usually recommend using the phone number. We'll select the date format, that is the format in which the dates that we have in our Excel sheets appear. Indicate whether we want to auto-generate a member ID for the data, and select any of these options as it applies to the data that you're uploading. We'll then navigate to the place where the records are kept. Search for the data that we want to upload. Click on open, and we'll have our data being shown in the system like this. We have the various column headings being displayed on the left as the grayed out fields. So we'll go ahead to match the fields to the internal fields that we have in the system. So for title, we go through our system and look for title, select that. For first name, for last name, for other names, date of birth, phone number, and proceed to select all the fields that apply to this data set. After that, click on validate data, which would go through the data to make sure that everything you selected is accurate. Once that is done, click on upload members, and this prompt, you just approve yes, continue to upload the data into your database. Remember, at the end of the upload, you'll receive a report on whether the upload was successful or not. If the upload wasn't successful, you get a link to an Excel sheet that you can download and make the appropriate corrections. So simply, this is how to upload records or already existing data that we will have in our church. This makes it quite easy to get data and records to start working with. There are other ways of adding people to our database, and we'll talk about that in the next tutorial.